Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Chat GPT widget on Sony Xperia 10.5. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Right here find the app called Wally Chat GPT. It's this app right here. We're gonna install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Move to the next steps. You can read through this introduction if you like. I'm gonna skip it. Open permissions and allow this app to draw over the others. And now we can go back and click on that start button. Now you'll see this icon floating around your screen. If you click on it, this should open a chat. You can ask anything, click on the send, and here you will receive your answer. Now to close it, we'll need to go back and click anywhere on our screen. And to make this icon disappear, simply drag it to the X just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.